Greetings, fellow collectors. I'm Chris. This is my garage. Today I'm going to be unpackaging this Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Ronin run. And this car here is the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. This is car number 2 of 5. This is also a Real Riders.
So, like this better? Yeah.
There's the 5 cars on the back there. And this one right here is a car that I've always been a fan of. I've always been a fan of the 300ZX all the way back to my early childhood days. So this is one that I am looking forward to getting out of the package, getting up on my shelf up there. Without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, collectors, let's get it open. Right out of the gate, this thing, the paint is really cool on this one. Just back, side. You hear that? That sounds cool. Man, this thing rolls really good. Not so much on the front wheels, but dang, these back wheels, those are cool. Look at those headlights on there, man. Even back in the days when I was a kid, man, those headlights were so sexy. Those are so cool. I love this car. I know there's some 300ZX fans out there. Leave a comment down below. Alright, collectors, this is the part of the video where I thank you for tuning in. Please like the video, please subscribe, leave a comment down below. And once again, thank you for tuning in.